Dear students, during this video clip, we will now discuss how to download the software package and install that into your laptop or to your desktop computer. First of all, to do this activity, you need to make sure that your computer is connected with the internet. And also, you need to log into our LMS. To log into our LMS, you can go to the Google Chrome and open up the internet. And then you have to log into the new learning management system by typing ext lms then .mgt.sjp.ac.lk. so there you can type extlms.mgt.sjp.ac.lk and then you can access to our LMS. You can see from my screen how I am accessing, and that will take you to the learning management system of the Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce, University of Sri Jayewardenepura, for the extension courses, where you can see the different department offering various kind of programs, extended programs for the market. So the accounting, marketing, entrepreneurship, public management departments are offering various kind of courses whereby students can register. Now you are registered under the Department of Accounting, so you need to go to the accounting department and click that. Then you can see there are two diploma programs we are offering here under the Department of Accounting, that is Diploma in Computer Based Accounting and then the Advanced Diploma in Computer Based Accounting. If you are a student of the Diploma of Computer Based Accounting, then first thing you need to go to the Diploma in Computer Based Accounting, and then you can select the semester 1 January 2021 link. After giving your password only you can access into this. Now the passwords are given to you, and also we have given the required training during our initial session. So by using your registration number and the password, you can access to the different component or the subject offering during this semester. As you can see, we are offering 4 subjects in this semester: DCBA 1301 Introduction to Computer Application. This is by using the MS Excel. I hope everyone is having the MS Excel available in your computers, which the softwares are not given. Then the DCBA 1302 Computer Based Accounting, which I am going to discuss with you so as a lecturer, and I will show you how to download the software package and install that into computer today during this video. And next you can see 1303 Introduction to the Database Management System. Again, we don't have to give you any kind of softwares for this. This will be used MS Access system, which is available in the normal Office package. And then finally DCBA 1304 Multimedia Tools and Presentation. Samita sir will show you how to download his softwares and install that into the computers. So to start up our discussion how to download and install the software into your computers, you should go to my subject DCBA 1302 Computer Based Accounting. By clicking it, you will be able to access. Then you have to give your password and your username and the password. So each of you are given the usernames and also the password. You know that now by now, so you can enter that and then you can log into the system. Once you log into the system, you can see at the moment I have uploaded some lecture materials, videos for the lecture number 1, that is the first day, that is 31st of January lecture starting. So any time during this week or next week, you can download these materials, you can watch the videos, you can understand the topics which was handouts are given here. And first thing we need to know how to download the software and then install that into the computer. Here, if you don't have the WinRR software, that means it's coming like a the zip file, whereby you need to have the WinRR software as well to run that. So first of all, if you don't have the zip file WinRR software to install, so first you get the WinRR software downloaded and then install that into your computers, right? After that only you have to go to the SageLine 50 accounting software download link. You can click the download link. Then you will be taken into the Google Drive where the package is available. So by right clicking it, you can go to the download command. So you right click the disk 1 and then go to the download command. So it will take few minutes to download the package into your computers depending on the speed of your internet facilities available in your computer. So we will wait until the full package or the full whole thing will downloaded into your download sector. Once the downloads is complete, then only we can access into the download area and then we can run this program. ඉතර පුතාලට මම දැනට පෙන්නන්නේ කොහොමද accounting software එක download කරගෙන ඒක අපේ computer එකට install කරන්න කියලා. එතකොට ඔයගලන්ට තියෙන්නේ internet connect කරපු computer එකට ගිහිල්ලා ඔයගලන්ගේ LMS එකට log වෙලා ඒක හරහා ඔයගලන්ට මේ file එක download කරගන්න. එතකොට ඒකට කලින් WinRR zip file එක download කරලා run කරලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඒක අනුව පුතාලට මේ වගේ WinZip version එකක් එනවා. එතකොට ඒතර WinZip එක open කරාම ඔයගලන්ට පේනවා disk 1 කියන එක ඒක ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා. ඒකේ disk 1 එක ක්ලික් කරාම ඒක ඇතුලේ files ගණනාවක් තියෙනවා. ඒතර files ගණනාවක් පෙන්නනවා. එතන තියෙනවා exe file එකක් setup exe කියලා. හරියට බලා ගන්න setup exe. So this is the file or the file which you have to run. This is a setup exe file available in the downloads window. So whereby you can double click that and then it will ask your permission to install that into your computer or to your laptop and then click yes to upload that. So it will take few minutes and start uploading the required information to upload this file. So first you read the license agreement if it is necessary, otherwise you can say yes, click yes. Then he will check the setup, searching for the installation component. Required component will be considered by the computer. It will take few minutes to check all these things and then start in the installation. तर මේ අවස්ථාවේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ පෙන්නන්නේ අපි ඔයගලන්ට පෙන්නන්නේ කොහොමද Sage Line 50 accounting software package එක පුතාලගේ computers වලට download කරලා install කරගන්න කියන එක. එතකොට ඔයගලන්ට පේනවා මම දැන් කරපු ක්‍රියාකාරකමක් අනුව ඒ අනුව ඔයගොල්ලොත් ගිහිල්ලා ඔයගලන්ගේ LMS එකෙන් ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ඒක download කරගන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඒක download කරන්න කලින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ WinRR කියන WinZip program එක ඔයගලන්ගේ computer එකේ install කරගෙන තියාගන්න ඕනේ WinZip එක නැත්තම්. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයගලන්ට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ ඒක automatically WinZip program එකට ගියාට පස්සේ WinZip එකෙන් open කරලා ඊට පස්සේ ඒකේ ඇතුලේ තියෙන disk 1 කියන එක open කරාම එතන තියෙනවා setup exe කියලා ෆයිල් එකක්. ඒක run කරන්න. එතකොට මේ වගේ ටික වෙලාවක් යනවා පුතාලට search කරනවා යා installation component ඒවට අවශ්‍ය facility එක තියෙනවද කියලා බලනවා. ඒක බලාගෙන installation එක පටන් ගන්න ආරම්භ කරනවා. ටික වෙලාවක් ගත වෙනවා. මේ step එකට ටික වෙලාවක් ගත වෙයි depending on the speed and also available capacity of the computer. It will take few minutes to check and start installation of component into your system. මම හිතනවා ඔයගලන්ට මේක ඉතාම පැහැදිලි කියලා කොහොමද කරන්න කියන එක. ඉතින් ඒ වගේ ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරලා ඉන්ස්ටෝල් කරන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න. එහෙම බැරි කෙනෙක් හිටියොත් එහෙම එතකොට ඔයගලන්ගේ ලැප්ටොප් එක අපිට මෙහාට ගෙනල්ලා සතිය දිනක ගෙනල්ලා දීලා අපිට කියලා ඒ software එක දාගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ලබන සතිය ඇතුළත පුතාලගේ classes පටන් ගන්න තියෙන්නේ මේ ජනවාරි මාසේ 31. එතකොට ඒ lecture එකට කලින් පුතාලා මේක ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගෙන ඉන්ස්ටෝල් කරගන්න. ඒ එක්කම lecture recording ටික LMS එකේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැක්කා. ඒකේ අපි දාලා තියෙනවා. ඒක නිසා ඒව ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරලා මේ වීඩියෝස් ඔක්කොම නරඹලා ඒකට අදාළව ප්‍රී ප්‍රෙපරේෂන්ස් ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන්න ඕනේ. Zoom link එක අපි අප්ලෝඩ් කරන්න කලින්. Zoom link එකෙන් අපි කරන්නේ Zoom link එකක් අපි ඒත් දාන්නේ LMS එකට. ඒකට access කරන්න ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒ කියලා තියෙන වෙලාවට. එතකොට පුතාලට මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්න ගැටලු ඇති වුණා නම් ඒ දේවල් අපි සාකච්ඡා කරනවා Zoom lecture එකෙන්. ඒ සඳහා අපිට ගත කරන කාලය වැඩිම වුණොත් පැයක කාලයක්. එතෙන්දී ප්‍රැක්ටිකලි මේ ඇක්ටිවිටීස් නැවත වරක් කරගන්න බැරි වෙච්ච ළමයින්ට නැවත වරක් ප්‍රශ්න අහලා ආචාර්යවරයාත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙලා ඒ තොරතුරු දැනගැනීමේ හැකියාව තියෙනවා. ඒතකොට යම් කිසි ළමයෙක්ට ඒ දේවල් තනියෙන් කරගන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඒකට ඇක්සස් කිරීමේ අවශ්‍යතාවයක් නැහැ. ඒගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් වීඩියෝ එක නරඹලා ඒ කියන ක්‍රියාකාරකම් සම්පූර්ණ කරන්න. I hope you got an idea. Now when we are going to conduct the lectures, all these softwares need to be installed into your computers, whereby you will be able to practice all the activities given in the handouts by using the given software. For that, first of all, you have to make sure that you are going to install the softwares into your computers. If you are not able to install the computer by looking into this video and using the link given to you, so you need to bring your computer to our accounting resource center, which you have already came for your inauguration session. Then we can install that and give it to you. So if you are able to do this, then every week we will be giving a small link that is called Zoom link, whereby prior to that Zoom link discussion, everyone need to go to the required material, download, look at the videos uploaded and practice yourself. And if you are having the questions, you can mark it out, and then during the Zoom lecture it will be the maximum of 1 hour, whereby student can ask the question from the lecturer directly, and lecturer will explain everything to the student directly by using the Zoom discussion. And also some practical activities what we are given to you will be demonstrated during the Zoom lecture. So this is the method. It's a mixed method which we are going to use during the period. Now you can see my computer is check all the information and it is ready to install the components. So now you have two options there, express installation and customize installation. So better to select the express installation and click that, and then he will show the path where the computer is going to save this package. Normally it will take the C program files, and under the Sage folder he will save this particular package. So he will take the destination place where the file is going to be saved, and then you can click the next button. So it will take few minutes to install all the component into the system. Once it's complete all the activities by installing the software into your program, he will give a message to you. Until that you need to wait little bit without doing anything. So now you can see my setup completed. It say click finish to complete the setup. You can click the finish button. Now you can see there's a link, shortcut link available in the screen, which you can bring that into your desktop by right clicking it and then send it to the desktop. Send this icon to the desktop. So you can right click and select the send and select the desktop shortcut, and then close all these windows. Now close your zip file as well, and you can minimize your internet package. Now you can see your Sage account icon is available in your desktop, and by double clicking it you will be able to start your program. Every time when you access into the program, please make sure your logon name is manager. You can type manager, no password. To log into the system you have to type here manager. Doesn't matter, either capital, either simple. Login name need to be manager, no password. Once you enter the manager and click OK, your package is ready to use. So during the next video I will show navigate through the whole package and give you an introduction to the software package, and you can watch that video, and meantime you have to also do the same thing with your software package and see whether you will be able to do all the activities. I hope you got an idea now how to download and install your Sage Line 50 Financial Controller software package into your computer. Thank you.